At some point, you stopped keeping promises to yourself. Not the big ones, the small ones. I'll wake up early, didn't happen. I'll stop this time, didn't happen. And now, every time you try to start something new, there's this quiet voice in the back of your head that says, "Who are you kidding?" That voice isn't doubt, that voice is data, and it's been collecting evidence on you for years. Here's what nobody tells you. Discipline isn't the problem, trust is. Every broken promise you made to yourself got filed inside your brain like a court record. Do it enough times and your own mind stops believing you. You can't outwork that. You can't motivate your way through it. You can only rebuild it the same way it broke, slowly, quietly, one small action at a time. These are the 7 steps that actually fix it. Step 1. Audit the damage. Write down 5 promises you've broken to yourself in the last 90 days. No judgment, just honesty. You can't rebuild what you won't look at. Step 2. Shrink the goal until it's almost embarrassing. Your brain gets a dopamine hit just from planning. That's why you feel productive while nothing moves. For 30 days, no goals beyond today, not I'll train all week, just 10 push-ups before my shower right now. That's it. Step 3. Stack integrity reps. 3 promises today, all done within 6 hours. Make your bed, drink water before coffee, phone down for 10 minutes. Finish all 3, write done next to each one. That piece of paper is worth more than any vision board you've ever made. Step 4. Build in silence. Stop announcing your goals online. The second you post new chapter, your brain takes the likes as a reward and the urgency disappears. Silence is where real discipline lives. Step 5. Lock one thing in permanently. One daily non-negotiable under 15 minutes. Cold shower, morning walk, no phone for the first 30 minutes. One anchor, every single day, no exceptions. Step 6. Write one receipt every night. I said I would do X, I did X. After 30 days, you have 30 pieces of evidence. That stack rewrites the story your brain tells about who you are. Step 7. Raise the standard by 20% every 2 weeks. Not double, just 20. That's how trust compounds into someone unrecognizable from who you are right now. You don't have a motivation problem. You have a broken relationship with yourself. And you rebuild it the same way any relationship gets rebuilt. Through small, consistent, proven actions that your brain can actually verify. There's a version of you who follows through. Every single time, without an audience, without motivation. Just because he said he would, you don't find him. You build him, starting with the next promise you make and keep. Comment RECIPTS right now. That's Rep 1, subscribe. This is where the real work gets done.